Let us read the question. The question says that a 10-hour tour is made at an average speed of 40 km per hour. If during the first half of the distance, the average speed of the bus was 30 km per hour, what was the average speed for the second half of the trip? Let us get into the solution. From the first line of the given data, we got to know about the total time for which the bus traveled, which is given as 10 hours. And the average speed for the total distance in which the bus has traveled was given as 40 km per hour. And coming to the next part, it is given that for the first half of the distance, the average speed of the bus was 30 km per hour. Let us assume that the total distance in which the bus has traveled is equals to S. So for S by 2, the V average or V1 average, which is equals to 30 km per hour, which is given in the question. And the question is that we have to find for the second half of the distance, what is the V average? I mean, V average 2 is how much? Let us find. For the first, we have to find the total distance for which the bus traveled. So, first we have to find the total distance. We know already that distance is equals to time into velocity, which is equals to 10 into 40, which is equals to 400. This is the total distance. Total distance S is equals to 400 kilometer. The first thing in which we get the total distance. And the second thing is that we have to find the time T1 for which it was traveled with the average velocity of 30 km per hour for the first half of the distance. First half of the distance was 200 kilometers because the total distance was 400 kilometers, and in which if we divide it by 2 we get the first half of the distance as 200 kilometers. So it is equals to S by 2. Next, T1. We should find T1. We know that T1 is equals to distance by velocity. So distance is 200 kilometers and the velocity is given in the question. It was 30 kilometer per hour. 0 gets cancelled and it was 20 by 3 hours. So T1 is 20 by 3 hours. We should find what? We should find the T2. T2 is how much? We know the total time is 10 hours, which is mentioned in the given question. So T1 plus T2 is the total time. And T1 we had got the 20 by 3. So T2 we should find out now. T is 10 hours. So from this we get T2 is equals to 10 minus 20 by 3, which is equals to 30 minus 20 by 3, which is equals to 10 by 3. So from this we got T2 is equals to 10 by 3. Now we should find the V2 average. V is equals to displacement or a distance by time. We know for the second half distance it will be 200 because the total distance was 400. So when we divide it by 2 we get 400 by 2 is equals to 200. First half will be 200 and the next half will also be 200. So we got S2 is equals to 200 and then T2. What is T2? We already had calculated it. T2 is 10 by 3. By doing the calculation, we get V2 average, which is equals to 200 into 3 by 10, which is 0 gets cancelled, and it is 60 kilometer per hour. This is the required answer for the given question. Thank you.